Hello there, welcome to our channel Log Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to find the hidden chats on your Viber app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to find the hidden chats on your Viber, let's open up our Viber app first. After opening your Viber account to find your hidden chats, you'll be required to remember the number or the security code which you had registered on Viber at the when you were hiding your chats. And after remembering it, or if you have remembered it, you can see the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that magnifying glass icon, which is the search button, like this, and enter your code over here like this. My code is 7836. I had registered is 7836. Now you can see there is the hidden option of available over here just below the chats, and these two conversations I had hidden in my Viber. And there guys, this is how you find the hidden chats on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.